Under the motto Learning to Help, the Janssen Innovation Forum 2014 helped us to strengthen our corporate reputation among key stakeholders through providing high-level continuous medical education, disease awareness regarding our therapeutic areas, and support to the local community. This forum counted with the participation of 400 doctors specialized in Janssen key therapeutic areas and 40 key opinion leaders who imparted 50 master lectures. They also participated in the Learning to Help dynamic that brought support for 6 patient organizations to develop disease awareness projects. During this forum, we signed a collaboration agreement with the National Autonomous University of Mexico, the most important public university in the country, to promote research in health topics. With the participation of 60 employees, the government of the state of Chiapas, volunteer doctors, and the commitment of the medical affairs team, Janssen Mexico achieved. More than 4,000 persons received information about prevention and treatment of diseases such as diabetes and hypertension. 19 conferences about our key therapeutic areas imparted in public universities, and 10 talks about bullying and unwanted pregnancies imparted in schools. 600 glucose tests applied, 1,1200 pressure tests, as well as the donation of 500 units of Vermox in 3 rural communities. Restoration and reforestation labors in a public school of elementary education. With these activities, we gained the attention of media and achieved 69 clippings in key media with 100 positive mentions of Janssen. Innovation, continuous medical education, support to the community, employee engagement, participation of the local government and key opinion leaders. The Janssen Innovation Forum allowed us to strengthen our position as an innovative company engaged with the well-being of patients and the community.